Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial you will learn how to use iPhone Live Text OCR in iOS 15 in the Camera app. OCR stands for Optical Character Recognition. What Live Text OCR is in a layman's terms is that it will recognize the text in the photos and turn it into text that you can interact with. To use it in the Camera app real time, open the Camera app and simply point the camera at the text. The camera will automatically recognize the text and put brackets around it. If there is more than one piece of text, simply tap on the one that you need. In the bottom right, you'll notice a new icon appear. Now, either swipe or tap the text that you want to select or tap Select All. From here, you have options to copy it, look it up, translate, or share it. It's that seamless and fast. This even works with stylized fonts, although some of the heavily stylized fonts might yield incorrect letters. How often do you need to convert real-life text into digital text? If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And make sure to press the bell button to be the first to know about our new videos.